Felt workshop. Today we are going to needle felt a cylinder shape. It's easy and simple. Let's take a look how to make it. First, take amount of wool. This width depends on the final height as you want. In this video, my width is around 9 cm and the end result is 5.5 cm height. Next, rolling wool in horizontal direction and you will get an 8-row shape. Then we need to poke the end edge first and keep poking it in every dimension. So you have to use your left hand to roll the wool and keep moving it. Otherwise, you will get a flat 8-row. After poking on the face, we also need to work on the round base. As you can see, my needle again on the base and it's parallel with the egg roll shape. Remember, both sides of round base and top, we all need to poke it until it's flat. The needle angle in this stage, I will poke it from 90 to 45 degrees. Okay, now we already make the arrow into cylinder look, but we need to work a little bit more to make it look better and solid. In this stage, I will use my thumb and index finger and middle finger to give some pressure when I poke, and keep poking in 45 degrees to make it shorter. You can see the difference here. Right side, I already worked on it and it looks solid and tight. So now, let's poke the other side as well. Okay, done! This is cylinder shape. Now let's apply some magic to it. When we will use cylinder shape, there are so many products you can find in our daily life, such as can, jam jar, skincare product, etc. And for needle felting, we usually will use this shape to help us to make animal body or stem or human body as well. And as you can imagine, if you change the height, the size, how long is it, and how big is it, how heavy is that, and you can make any kind of work you want to make, like a pencil, a fat animal, or what else you can think about. Let me think. There are so many things I couldn't tell you right now, but I can imagine that there are so many kind of work you will use this kind of cylinder shape, and you just need to change a little bit and you can make the magic work. Voila! This is our cylinder shape. Looks like a grandpa. So I hope you enjoy needle felting. Next week we are going to make Toro's shape. Yes, the donut look. So see you next time. Bye bye.